In this video, I'm going to talk about some behavioral and natural solutions for dogs that are fearful, anxious, or even traumatized by fireworks. I'll share some simple steps to help prepare your dog for fireworks or other loud noises. These are things that I've learned working with pet dogs and working dogs for decades. Even if your dog is not afraid of fireworks, these are some good tools to have for most any fearful situation. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. If you're looking for natural solutions, then you've come to the right place. So hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss an update. At the end of this video, you'll have a chance to access several of my guides, including my Aging Backward Naturally guide. Is your dog fearful, anxious, or even traumatized by fireworks or other loud noises? It's not just dogs that are fearful or traumatized by fireworks. A growing number of people and wildlife are also traumatized. As dog owners, one of the most important things that we can do for our dogs is to protect them. And your dog's reaction to fireworks may change over time. Generally, make sure your dog gets plenty of exercise during the day of the fireworks. Get them lots of fresh air and fun. We want our dogs to be relaxed and tired by the time the evening rolls around. Give them their dinner nice and early, long before any fireworks begin. If you have a dog that you know is sound sensitive and has already had an unpleasant response to fireworks, you will want to be proactive and start your program to counter condition them good and early. Stay home with your dog, whether you think your dog will be okay or not during the fireworks. Dogs can change over time. You want to be there to support your dog because this may be the year that they get anxious and stressed at the sound of fireworks. If you have multiple dogs in your household and some are sound sensitive and some are not, then consider separating them because those that are sound sensitive can influence the ones that are not sound sensitive. For example, if a young dog sees that an older dog is worried about the fireworks, then unfortunately, the younger dog can pick up on that from the older dog. Here are some tools to help your dog during fireworks and other loud noises. 1. During fireworks, keep your pets safe and stay with them if at all possible. 2. Develop a plan. Long before the fireworks begin, develop value in alternative behavior, also called positive conditioned emotional response. For example, find simple games that your dog loves that you can play before and during the fireworks. Find high-value treats to reward your dog and associate them with settling down and playing fun games so that when the fireworks start, your dog is conditioned to settle down and or play fun games to distract them from the sound. Use calming oils. Practice relaxing your dog with petting and massage when applying or diffusing calming oils. Develop a routine that when you use calming oils, you and your dog relax. Make sure your dog has plenty of exercise the day there will be fireworks. A tired dog will relax much easier. We have many calming oils available to us. I prefer to use a combination we call Sit and Chill, which is Serenity and Balance, about 10 drops of each in a 4-ounce spray bottle. Topped off with water is usually sufficient. Shake that up and spray it on your hand and then pet it on your dog. You can spray it on a compression vest or your dog's bedding. Other good choices for fear-based anxiety, such as loud noises, thunderstorms, fireworks, are Melissa and Veteran. Running a diffuser with calming oils is really effective. In addition to Serenity and Balance, try Lavender or Lavender and Adaptive, which is our calming blend. You can find other species-specific information, recipes, and dilution rates on my website, RaineyRay.com. Just like people, every dog is different, so experiment and see what works best for your dog. As I promised, I want to give you access to my private Oils for Aging Backward class by clicking in the link in the description below. You can also follow the additional link to download my Aging Backward Naturally guide and other of my guides too. If you're ready to start using natural solutions for you and your dog, check out the other links in the description. I am so grateful that you're here. If you can relate to what I'm saying in this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you found value in the information, go ahead and check out my other videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell or whatever for notifications. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome to our community and let me know what you would like to see in future videos. Together, we and our pets and animals can age backward and live younger longer. Take good care.